welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shirley, also known as Backttalk, and if you're coming back, welcome back. Today I have Magic at Your Door unboxing. If you're new to my channel, Magic at Your Door is a Disney subscription box. You can get it monthly and there's different levels. I get the gold level and they're an amazing company. If you want to check out all my videos, I will link a couple below of just some of my favorite boxes that I've gotten so far. It is a mystery box, but in a way you do get to do preferences. So every month they update their wish list and you get to put things in your wish list, and you'll get some things from your wish list and then some things from your preference sheet. And the preference sheet is a very long process. It took me like 10-15 minutes, but that way they guarantee that you get the characters and the Disney stuff that you like. So let's hear all about it. Let's get started. I don't know what's gonna be in this box. Honestly, I forgot to cancel the month of January because if you, well, not cancel it, but freeze it. So if you have a monthly subscription, you are allowed to freeze it at any time. It just has to be before a certain date, and I totally forgot to. So this is a surprise box. But I'm really excited. The only reason I was gonna freeze it is because we have a trip coming up in March and I just wanted to save money. So I was gonna freeze January and February and then like open it up back up for March for my birthday box, but it's okay. I'm happy with the surprise. She's here. She got here really fast, which is really exciting. I have no idea what's in there. I'm hoping, I'm wearing my Harry Potter shirt because I'm hoping there's the Harry Potter backpack in here from the wish list. That was like my main thing that I liked from the wish list. Even though it's a Disney subscription box, they now have Disney items, and they had peanuts, yeah, from my last box. But anyways, let's get started. So there is a lot of fun freebies in here, which is great. I'm gonna reuse them. I have a swap video coming up, so I'll probably reuse them for my person. So in here is just information. It's not a cheat sheet, do not like freak out, but it's just talking about their shop. You can buy some of the bags if you don't want to do a Disney subscription. There is a golden ticket every month for gold subscription boxes, and some lucky people get it. I have yet to be that lucky person. I've gotten it twice, but that was when everybody got it. I've never gotten it when it's just like 1 or 2 people. So yeah, this just sends good vibes out. So the first thing I have is a bunch of freebies, and I already saw it. Let me take her out because it's gonna be a mess. I'm gonna have to come back. I feel like I already scratched my bag. I'm gonna take other stuff out just because it's not coming out. I was afraid of this. No. So I should probably put that I don't want these anymore. That's on me. I'm sorry. And this is the third one I get, and it's not all the same. So I've gotten one from Beauty and the Beast. I've gotten one from just Mickey Mouse, and now this is just Walt Disney. Now I think my husband is gonna love this himself. Like, I think this will become a husband thing because he loves Walt Disney merch. Like, he just likes the man, the myth, the legend. But it comes with the cards. Let me open it up. Actually, it's not gonna be able to. Let me open it up. Okay, so I opened it up. It wasn't that bad. It looks like this. It looks like a book, so it's gonna go great with my Beauty and the Beast one. I did give away the Mickey one just because I have too many cards and I don't have enough people to send it. I don't have like mail yet. I don't think my channel is big enough. But yeah, so anyway, so this is what it looks like when you open it up. It has the little stickers to close your envelopes, and then it has all of the different cards, and these cards don't have anything written in them, so you can literally put whatever you want. It could be thank you cards, Christmas cards, birthday cards, whatever cards. But there's just for this particular case, it's a bunch of just Walt. They're really beautiful. Like, don't get me wrong, they're stunning. I just have a lot of stationery. I am a teacher, so I have just way too much stationery. So I think I need to change it on my preferences. I kind of had a feeling when I felt the weight of the bag, but it's still super cute. But again, I think this is going to become a husband thing. All right, let's get the box back over here. The next thing we have is the pouch. It doesn't feel like there's a, it doesn't feel like there's a, what is that called? What is it called? Golden ticket. So no golden ticket. That's okay. So we have pins. Woohoo! When I started my channel, I had 3 to 4 pins, and now I have pin boards. Can you believe it? Okay, let's go ahead and open it. So this is from the 50th anniversary, like, pin collection mystery. You can have, I kind of want Figments or his name's, or Remy. Figment, Remy, I don't know who else. That's it. Maybe Madame. Maybe even, what's her name? Alice. I don't like Alice in Wonderland, but the pin looks like it would be cute. I'm really awful at opening things. I am so sorry. Let me open it. I don't know how do you open these. Are you a mystery pin person? I am not. As you can tell, I don't have the best luck with things, so I just tend not to go for mystery stuff. Which sounds so sad, but oh my, I'm just destroying it. I'm sorry. I guess it's mine, right? I'm allowed to do whatever I want with it. Okay, so there's 2, ooh, gold pouches. I did get a golden ticket, technically. This feels round, so I'm gonna guess it's like the robot or something. I don't know some of these. My home park is Disneyland, so a lot of this, yeah, it's the robot. A lot of this stuff, I don't know, so you'll have to tell me where the robot is from. So that's what he looks like. He matches my nails, which is quite nice. I'm assuming maybe Spaceship Earth, if I had to guess. And then let's go ahead and do the other one. Ooh, I love these gold pouches. Like that noise. Let's see. Ah! Yes! Figment. Imagination. Sorry, I need to stop moving it so you can see the little figment. Yes. He also matches my nails. Wow. That is so funny, but really excited about Figment. Let me know where he's from. If he's from Spaceship Earth, I might keep him. He's pretty cute, but I'm really excited about Figment. I did not have a Figment pin, so woohoo! Okay, and then in the golden pouch, we also have, sorry, I've been not telling you prices. So the cards were $25, the pins were $18, and then I have a Mickey little wallet for $17. She's cute. I don't have a wallet for the park, so this might be my park wallet, believe it or not. It's like a little drawn Mickey. It has little pretzels. How do you open this? I don't want to break it. But you just put cards in here, and then on here you put your ID. Yeah, this might be a perfect wallet. By the way, none of this is on my wish list. In case you're wondering, so far nothing has been on my wish list, but I've liked everything so far. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, now I think I should be able to take the bag out. Okay, so I took the bag out. She's a chubby little monster. This is the bag that I was summoning with my Hogwarts shirt. It is Josiah and Ellie. So cute. I wasn't sure about it. My husband's not a big sequins person, but then I realized he's not wearing it, so it doesn't matter. So here it is. I love just this look, because if you've ever gone to Universal's Florida, or if you never have, you need to go, because you feel so immersed and you feel like you're part of the Harry Potter world. So I just had to have this. I love the sequins. I'm glad it's not like the flippy sequins, because the flippy sequins hurts if you move too fast, and it is very chubby, so I'm assuming there's something in here. There is something in here. There's something green in here. There's something else in here. There's the alien. The alien. I do love the alien. It is a blanket pillow. I'll probably keep this in my car. This is perfect for like a car, you know, when you like need something real quick. Is it a blanket pillow, or is it a, yeah, fleece throw plate polarized? I wonder if you can wear it as a cape. Is it like a hat? That would be nice. I would wear this as a hat and then wear the blanket. This is a nice surprise. This is cute. And this was also $25. Very, very cute. And then the bag itself is here. Like I said, really, really cute. The inside of it is, what does it look like? Oh, it just looks like a Harry Potter print. Oh yeah, you can see it. It looks quite nice on the camera, but it's just like brooms and things like that. There is no internal pocket. There's like a tiny internal pocket. That's probably where you put like your wallet. And then there is a pocket out here on the sequence part, just for your chimichanga hot sauce and your napkins. And then here, maybe your hand sanitizer, and then your mask. But very, very cute. I'm really excited about her. She was on my wish list. I think she was the only thing from my wish list, But that's the nice thing about Magic at Your Door. I feel like usually the big thing comes from your wish list, and then everything else is just nice little like accent pieces. I'm gonna double check that there is nothing else in the box, and then we'll come back and like price it. Okay, there was one more thing in this box, and now this thing was from my December box. So in December, everybody voted. There is a Magic at Your Door Facebook group that I would suggest you join, especially if you're considering getting a box. And they made a poll asking if we wanted everyone to get a golden ticket, or if we wanted one person to get a golden ticket that gave them free boxes all year, and we all wanted a golden ticket. So this is what I picked for my golden ticket price. It is $24.99. Let me take it out of the styrofoam. So it is $24.99. This is the one I picked, and the reason I picked it is because I'm running out of trader pins. So every time we go to Disneyland, my husband loves trading pins. That's become one of his hobbies when we go, and I've run out of them because I always find some. So I figured this set would be good, but now that I'm looking at it, I want to keep some. I'm definitely keeping the Beast because he's my favorite, and I like him in Beast form. I don't like him in like Prince whatever his name is form. And then we can definitely get rid of Gaston. I don't like his bad boy energy and attitude. Hercules is cool. I might have to keep Hercules. Aladdin, we can get rid of Aladdin too. He's sweet, but you know, nah. So I think we're gonna keep these two, and then we're gonna trade these two. So this is great. Okay, let me count everything now that I know this is for sure it, and then I'll come back. Okay, I'm back. There was a total of $160 worth of items in my box. Yay! And the reason I'm saying yes is because this gold subscription only costs $125. There is a $10 shipping for most states, so let's say $135, but you're still getting your money back and a little more. And that's without including these guys, right? Like these guys were golden tickets, so they were free, but technically these guys were $25. So if we want to add it to the box, that is a crazy markup. Magic at Your Door, I don't know how you do it. You're amazing. I would highly suggest you check out Magic at Your Door. You don't have to get gold. You can just get the first one, although everybody recommends gold because you get this, right? The little ones you might not get a Loungefly or a Gym Short or things like that. So go check them out. I do have a link below if you want a discount for your first time. And yeah, I think my favorite thing was Figment. What a pleasant surprise he was. And then my bag. Yes, yeah, I think those were my favorite. But yeah, let me know in the comments what was your favorite. Don't forget to subscribe. It helps out my channel. We're growing slowly but surely. I can't believe I just made that joke. And until next time, adios.